Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will talk about how to become multiple programming language lingual and some fundamentals and unique ideas to become fluent in more than one programming language. These are my personally discovered step-by-step tips, and watch till end to get a very essential tips if you are in the process of learning new language, or you have already started, or you're just a beginner. This video will surely clear out all your confusion and doubts. So watch till end and don't forget to subscribe. So according to me, learning a new programming language is like learning a new native language. How I have discovered this, while I was in my graduation year, all of my courses were revolved around structured language like C, Java, and now I'm trying to transition between those languages to data science, that is to Python. So for me, there is severe lack of semicolon, curly braces, typed variable. It's as if I'm learning a new language, Python, that is completely different from my native language, that is Java. And during this transition, I have discovered all these fundamentals which will help you out, guys. Seen many people, they suggest go for Python as your first programming language because it's simple, its syntax are simple, and it gives flexibility and stuff. But what I will advise you is to go for statistically typed and syntax specific language first, because instead of learning a language that will hold your hand and offer you a comfortable path to the world of programming, learn the language that will yell at you if you miss any semicolon, or refuse to work if you miss any data types or used any wrong data types. It will help you build your base stronger. It would rather be very difficult to live a life if you speak little of each language spoken around the world than one language very well. Furthermore, if you speak a little of each language, then you wouldn't be much use to anyone, because you neither have a large vocabulary nor understanding of a specific language. So in my opinion, same applies to programming languages too. Instead of learning several different languages without understanding any of them at competence level, try to learn one language but be fluent with it, and then only jump on to another language. I'm not saying that be 100% fluent, but at least clear out your concept at very first language, then only start a new language. When speaking a natural language, you can easily understand if that person is speaking with an accent. To become fluent in new programming language, you can't code it as if it was the language you already know. If you do, the likelihood is your code won't understand what you're asking for, and even if it does, it won't give you that efficient result. By immersing yourself in the new language and forcing yourself trying to understand all of its convention, you learn how to code in a way it was intended instead of the language you already know. This will allow you to help in becoming fluent in multiple programming languages. Take enough time to read the documentation provided by a programming language and get a feeling for that specific note convention of that language. Indeed, these fundamentals helped me tremendously to make that transition from one language to multiple languages. But there are more quick tips for you all, guys, if you are just a beginner or in the process of learning new language. Become fully immersed in the language by reading the documentation, reading the source code, replicating code example, using your own words in the new language, writing yourself a cheat code for the new language, etc. Follow along different coding tutorials on that language using sources such as YouTube, Stack Overflow. You need to willingly to get your hands dirty in that language. Recreate projects you have already completed, even if the simplest ones, with the new language you are learning. Try to use new language to the best of its abilities. Enter into hackathons, Kaggle competitions, and coding challenges that require you to use your new language. Now, last but not the least, the best advice I can give is to be persistent. Learning a new language is tough, and programming is no exception. Don't discard the language if it takes a little effort. Do it at that moment and it will help you in the long run. And most of all, don't forget to apply all of the advices I have given. These will not only help you in becoming fluent in language, but also it will make you a better developer or data scientist in a long run. So thanks for watching, and that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful to you all, guys. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down your thoughts below. I would love to hear.